Assalamualaikum, my dear clients. I hope you are doing well. And in this section, we record audio via our and then we quantization of our audio's recording signal and with different number of bits like 4 bits and 8 bit. So in first four command I use for this four command just for clear window, command window, workspace, enclose all figure, and if in case any warning is appear in our code, then we need to stop it. Okay, it means we clear window, command window, and this on. Okay, this code just for one time. Okay, recording signal with frequency, number of channel, and for 5 seconds recording end, then we have a signal. Okay, now we already record your signal. It's your signal which you provide me. Okay, it's a recorded signal. If we want to record by MATLAB, we can this. Okay, then we need to read audio signal and play it. And first of all, we'll pass the file name. Directly we can pass file name here as a string, and we need to make sure audio and working commands is on same working environment and audio in the same domain, means same folder. Okay, we have audio. Okay, and that's why we just pass the name. If we have a audio at another location, we just need to pass the location, exact location, and exact same name with extension also. Okay, this is a file name. Audio read is a signal, as in signal, as you can see. Then we play it just sound it's play audio. Okay, it's like we can play audio in VLC media, in any other media player. It's like same play in it as MATLAB. Okay, then we it's display a message on our command window here. Okay, then figure means an empty figure. Okay, then plot the signal and title mark. Okay, after that the quantization start. This is the main process. One part is recording the signal and display it and play it. Okay, which one is done. Then second part is quantization. Quantization is two number of levels, means 4 bit and 8 bit. Means 4 bit means 16 levels and 8 bit means 120 number of levels. So for the quantization we need maximum value, minimum value. From the signal we find maximum, minimum. Here we just find just use a function pause. Pause means wait for sites 7 seconds. It means for 7 seconds our audio already played, so we need to stop the processing. If we do not stop the processing, then it overlap. For example, after the quantization we need to want to play also it. So if we play already original sound, then play 4 bit and 8 bit, then three sounds play in simultaneously. It means overlap to each other. We cannot understand any process, so it means we need to delay something. Delay is a random. I assume by this recording it's 7 times second is enough. Okay, use loop. Loop is just for the number of length, means number of length is here 2, so we want repeat 2 times, means for 4 bit and 8 bit. It is a quantization. It repeats just for 2 seconds 2 times. Okay, number of levels, scaling, and round off, and after normalization we need to multiply it, give a quantized signal. So we quantize the signal, display, plot, and X label, Y label, title, display. Display is just a message, sound play at quantization, and then num to string is just convert numeric value to string. For example, integer value to string. Okay, and by this value square bracket we can concatenate the string, and display, pass, same repeat for 8 bit, and then we find SNR ratio. At the end we observe something. Okay, first I run it and then observe the common which I already mentioned. It means by increasing the number of level we get a clear signal. So we try to run it, just run it and check what happened. Okay, we get all these plots and SNR ratios and sound to noise. Okay, so for number of levels we can check explanation. First we plot original signal, then 4-bit, and then 8-bit, then SNR. Okay, SNR at the end just by this one. Okay, and SNR value. This is the message display, which means what happened. It's automatically understandable. Okay, by these plots original signals. Okay, check comparison. 4-bit quantization is not similar, somehow it should have a number of level. Okay, now I show you 8-bit. 8-bit, it's better than 4-bit. It means by increasing the number of bits we get better result, better quantization. Means it's better result. It seems like a original signal. Okay, that's all.